Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to microprocessor. It is desired to multiply the numbers 0AH by 0BH and store the result in the accumulator. The numbers are available in the registers B and C respectively. A part of the 8085 program for this purpose is given below, which is starting from move immediate A, 00H, and there is a loop. That loop consisting of 3 instructions followed with halt and end. Okay, the sequence of instructions to complete the program would be, what sequence of instructions you are going to write in the loop. So you must write 3 instructions in the loop such that it is going to be performing the multiplication of two numbers, that to 0A by 0B, which are in the registers B and C. Okay, so the numbers available in register B and C should get multiplied by using the 3 instructions which you are going to be writing in the loop. Okay, so first of all, so if you are going with, for example, we are going in this way, 5 into 3, this is multiplication of two numbers. We are going with a simple example. 5 into 3 is nothing but, we know that when it is 15, but the same multiplication can be done by adding 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is nothing but you are adding this one for 3 times. Okay, so assume that one, this is the content present in B and this is the content present in C register. So by adding the content in B C number of times, are you going to get the product of B and C or not? Okay, that is nothing but add B, that is add contents of B for C number of times, for C number of times. If you do this one, what you are going to get is nothing but B into C only. Okay, like this, 5 into 3, 5 is nothing but B register and 3 is nothing but C register contents. 5 into 3 is nothing but final value is 15. You can get C is nothing but 3, so 3 times if you add B register contents, 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is nothing but 15. So this logic we are going to use. So for that one, this will be added. First accumulator is becoming 0. Move immediate A, 00H. That is nothing but accumulator is cleared with 00. That is accumulator is loaded with 00. Now this 00 is going to be added to accumulator. Next write instruction, we are writing it as add B. Add B is nothing but contents of accumulator is going to be added with B and it will be loaded into accumulator. Contents of A is going to be loaded with B and the result is going to be stored in accumulator. Okay, and after that one, once it has added, B is added once, that implies nothing but the C value has to decrement once, because we should know how many number of times you are adding B. We should only add for C number of times. Once you have added, at that time you must reduce C by 1. So for that one we are going for the DCR. DCRC, that is nothing but C will be decremented. C is going to be reduced and it will be stored in the C itself. C value is now will be reduced by 1. Okay, by that time whether the C value has reached 0 or not, that you have to check. Okay, as you are reducing it, if you are going for the C3 at that time, first time if it is reduces, it will go to 2. Second time it is reducing, it will go to 2, and third time second time it will be reduces, it will be go to 1. Third time it is reducing, it will be go to 0. So whenever 3 times it has reduced, by that time the content in C is going to be 0. So you must reduce C until the contents will become 0 in C, so that whether the C content is 0 or not. If it is not 0, again you must add the B. Okay, so Zempan no 0. If the content of Zempan no 0, that is nothing but C is going to be becoming reducing. If it is not 0, when it will become 0, at that time 0 flag is affected. Zempan no 0 is nothing but whenever 0 flag is not affected, by that time again you have to do the same previous instructions. So it is Zempan no 0 loop. Okay, Zempan no 0, whenever C becomes 0, by that time 0 flag will set, so it will come out of this loop and it will halt. So these are the 3 instructions we must write. Okay, add B, decrement C and Zempan no 0 loop. So the right option is nothing but D. Okay, that will be multiplying the register multiplying the contents available in B with C. Thank you.